You might have heard more about jackfruit recently, as this understated fruit is cropping up as a healthy meat alternative for vegetarians and vegans alike. But you don't have to be a non-meat eater to enjoy the delicious taste and endless benefits of jackfruit. In this video, we'll assume that you're a jackfruit newbie who wants to learn more. So we'll cover a little bit about what jackfruit is and let you know why it's worth adding to your diet today. So what is jackfruit? Originally indigenous to India, this orangey yellow fruit is derived from a tropical plant and is full of nutrients. Jackfruit's taste is the most interesting part of the fruit. The fleshy part can be eaten as is or cut up and cooked. When unripe, the fruit is remarkably similar in texture to chicken, making it an excellent substitute for meat. In fact, canned jackfruit is sometimes referred to as vegetable meat. Yep, fruit really can taste like meat. Jackfruit offers a whole host of impressive health benefits, including 1. Improves immunity. Jackfruit contains a high amount of vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps boost your immune system and makes it stronger when fighting an infection. This is backed by recent clinical trials, which have found that antioxidant supplementation can significantly improve certain immune responses. Antioxidants found in foods like jackfruit protect your cells from the effects of free radicals and can help reduce an overabundance of inflammation in your body. Vitamin C helps encourage the production of white blood cells, which help protect the body against infection. 2. Replenishes energy. A 100-gram serving of jackfruit contains 94 calories and is loaded with good carbohydrates. It instantly gives you an energy boost upon consumption. The sugars in jackfruit are very easy to digest and are really healthy for our body. You should also be sure to save your jackfruit seeds and add them to your bowl of morning granola, as they're rich in vitamins, which help in turning the food you eat into energy. 3. Ensures better cardiovascular health and a regulated blood pressure. Consuming the right amount of potassium ensures a balanced regulation of sodium in our body. If our sodium levels are off, it can cause damage to the arteries and the heart. Potassium also coordinates and maintains muscle function, including the muscles of the heart. So it's pretty essential for a perfectly functional system. Jackfruit is rich in potassium, with one serving of the fruit containing 739 milligrams of the mineral, or just over 20% of your advised daily intake. It thereby helps in supporting the fitness of our heart and circulatory system. 4. Improves digestion. Jackfruit is rich in two kinds of fibers, soluble and insoluble. Anyone who knows even a little bit about eating well will know the importance of eating a healthy amount of fiber in our daily diet. Soluble fiber is quickly broken down by our body to produce energy, and insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, easing up your bowel movements. Many people with digestive issues like IBS can benefit from eating jackfruit as part of a constipation-preventing diet. The fiber found in jackfruit can also improve bowel health, help control sugar and cholesterol levels, and even help you to lose weight. 5. Prevents cancer. Jackfruit is rich in antioxidants, phytonutrients, and flavonoids. The presence of these antioxidants eliminates toxins produced by the body, as well as unstable molecules known as free radicals, which can cause everything from early skin aging to cancer. Toxins have also been known to cause cancer in the body. So how exactly do antioxidants eliminate toxins and free radicals? Early research suggests that antioxidants interact with and stabilize free radicals and may prevent some of the damage free radicals otherwise might cause. Laboratory evidence from chemical, cell, and animal studies indicates that antioxidants may slow or possibly prevent the development of cancer. So if you're looking to stay cancer-free into old age, consuming antioxidant-rich jackfruit might help you along the way. 6. Enhances vision. Being rich in vitamin A, otherwise known as beta-carotene, jackfruit provides healthy nutrition for our eyes. It protects the eyes from bacterial and viral infection and also rids them of free radicals that can lead to age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. It also protects the eyes from intense and harmful light waves like ultraviolet rays and helps to keep the eyes healthy. Vitamin A is especially effective in preventing degeneration of the retina and reduces the risk of cataracts. Many people choose to supplement with vitamin A, but there's no need to do that if you're eating fruits like jackfruit on a regular basis. 7. Prevents aging. As we briefly mentioned earlier, free radicals are largely responsible for early aging. There's actually even a theory called the free radical theory of aging, which states that living things, like us humans, age because cells accumulate free radical damage over time. Damage to DNA, protein cross-linking, and other changes have been attributed to free radicals. Over time, this damage accumulates and causes us to experience aging. Antioxidant-rich jackfruit destroys these free radicals, which slows the aging process down. 8. Strengthens bones. Jackfruit is loaded with high amounts of calcium, which is a key nutrient that many of us overlook in our diets. Almost every cell in the body uses calcium in some way, including the nervous system, muscles, and heart. If you don't get enough calcium in your diet, your body will take it from your bones to ensure normal cell function, which can lead to weakened bones or osteoporosis. So while eating calcium-rich foods like jackfruit won't directly make your bones healthier, a lack of calcium may make them more susceptible to damage. Potassium, which jackfruit is also high in, reduces loss of calcium through the kidneys, which helps the body to make the most use out of it. Symptoms of bone-related disorders like arthritis and osteoporosis can be managed by consumption of jackfruit. 9. Improves blood quality. Jackfruit also contains a good amount of iron, which is an essential element for blood production. Iron's main purpose is to carry oxygen in the hemoglobin of red blood cells throughout the body so cells can produce energy. It also helps remove carbon dioxide from the body, freeing up space for oxygen. A proper concentration of iron in our body helps prevent disorders like anemia, which is a condition characterized by a lack of healthy red blood cells for carrying oxygen to your body's tissues, which can be quite dangerous if left untreated. 10. Prevents and controls asthma. Jackfruit helps control the imbalances in the body, which some research is linked to a reduction in asthmatic attacks, especially when the symptoms are triggered by pollution. Jackfruit helps control the symptoms by eliminating the pollution-related free radicals produced in the body, which could otherwise lead to asthmatic attacks. 11. Ensures a high-functioning thyroid. Being rich in copper, jackfruit can support thyroid metabolism, especially in hormone production and absorption, ensuring a healthy and fit thyroid. For this reason, copper-rich foods like jackfruit can help both to maintain a healthy thyroid and improve symptoms in people with thyroid disorders. 12. For healthy skin. There are numerous healthy benefits of jackfruit for the skin. The high amounts of vitamin C in jackfruit may help protect your skin from sun damage. You need plenty of vitamin C to keep your skin firm and strong. There are a number of DIY jackfruit recipes for treating a number of skin conditions, including acne, skin pigmentation, oiliness, and even wrinkles. While there's no scientific evidence directly linking jackfruit to healthier skin, it makes sense that something as high in antioxidants as it is should provide a whole host of free radical-busting benefits. If you're keen to give jackfruit skincare a try, just blend jackfruit to form a pulp-like substance, then apply it directly to your face and leave it for 15 minutes. You can also mix jackfruit with milk, honey, lemon juice, or olive oil for a fancier face mask. 13. Promotes hair growth. Jackfruit seeds can help in healthy blood circulation that's vital for good hair growth. It also contains vitamin A, which is an essential vitamin for healthy hair. It supports the secretion of sebum, which is a substance that prevents hair breakage and can also prevent dryness and brittle hair. You can create a jackfruit pack for the hair by soaking jackfruit seed in milk, then grinding it. Apply the homemade mask thoroughly to your scalp and hair. After keeping the mask on for around 30 minutes, you should then wash it out of your hair and follow up with a mild shampoo. 14. Supports blood sugar control. When it comes to finding a meat alternative which benefits blood sugar levels, jackfruit has been proven effective. It has several properties that may help with blood sugar management. First off, it has a fairly low glycemic index, which is a measure of how quickly blood sugar rises after eating food. Diets that include lots of low GI foods have been shown to be helpful for promoting blood sugar control. Secondly, jackfruit provides some protein, which may help prevent blood sugar levels from rising too quickly after a meal. It can also help you to feel full when you've finished eating, which should stop you from reaching for a sugary snack that'll cause your body's sugar levels to spike. There's scientific evidence to back this up, too. One study showed adults who consumed jackfruit extract had significantly improved blood sugar levels. As you can see, there are many ways you can enjoy jackfruit as part of a healthy diet. Lots of people are fans of jackfruit curry, in which jackfruit is used as a meat replacement with a variety of sauces and seasonings. You can also prepare jackfruit as a side dish with vegetables, and not forgetting that jackfruit is an actual fruit. Though meat-like in texture, it has a distinctly sweet flavor that makes it ideal for a healthier take on a dessert dish. You can also enjoy jackfruit for breakfast with a sprinkling of blueberries and homemade yogurt. If you knew virtually nothing about jackfruit before now, hopefully this video has convinced you to give it a try. If you're lucky, you'll find fresh jackfruit at your local supermarket or at an exotic foods market. But as jackfruit isn't a native fruit in most countries, you may have to buy the fruit or seeds online. Alternatively, tinned jackfruit is becoming increasingly popular, so you should have no problem finding it at the grocery store. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 11 amazing dragon fruit health benefits. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.